Once upon a time, in a small, quiet village surrounded by hills, there lived an old farmer named Noah. He loved his land more than anything. Every morning he woke up early, watched the sunrise, and thanked the earth for its beauty. For many years, Noah's farm was full of life. The wind danced through the wheat fields, the trees were full of fruit, and the village always had food to eat. But one year, something changed. The rain stopped. The sky stayed dry for months. The soil became hard and cracked. One by one, Noah's plants began to die. He tried everything, watering, praying, waiting, but nothing grew. Noah sat on his porch, tired and sad. He whispered to himself, "Maybe it's time to stop. Maybe my farming days are over." A few days later, Noah went into his old wooden shed. It smelled of dust and memories. He looked at all his tools and saw a small wooden box in the corner. Inside were many old seeds, dry and dull. He picked through them carefully. Most were dead, but at the very bottom he saw one small golden seed. He held it in his hand and smiled faintly. "This is my last seed," he said softly. "It may be weak, but maybe it still has life." Even though the earth was dry, Noah walked out to his empty field. The sun was hot, the wind was rough, but he dug a small hole and placed the seed inside. As he covered it with soil, he whispered, "I still believe." Days turned into weeks. Nothing happened. Noah visited the spot every morning, gave it a few drops of water, and spoke to it kindly. Some people from the village laughed at him. "Why do you waste your time?" they said. "Nothing grows now. The season is dead." But Noah didn't stop. He smiled and said, "Faith grows even when the world sleeps." Then one morning, after many silent days, he saw a tiny green leaf pushing through the soil. It was small, but full of life. Tears filled his eyes. He touched it gently and said, "Welcome, little one. You made it." Weeks passed. The small leaf became a plant, and the plant became a strong tree. It grew tall, its roots deep in the earth. When the rain finally came, the tree stood strong and gave fruit, shade, and hope to everyone in the village. People came to Noah and asked, "How did this tree live when everything else died?" Noah smiled, looking at the golden leaves. "It lived," he said, "because I didn't give up. Sometimes faith needs silence to grow. When everything feels dry and lifeless, remember the last seed. Hope doesn't shout, it whispers. And sometimes the smallest seed can grow into the greatest blessing."